Hi guys, today I'm trying the new Zimmerit paste from Ammo by MIG. Have fun watching the video. In the first step, I mark the distances. Here you can see the material we need. I apply the Zimmerit paste with a wide knife and spread it evenly. I try not to apply the paste too thinly, but not too thickly either. I practice this beforehand on side skirts of a Panzer IV. Now I scratch the pattern from stroke to stroke, setting it down again and again in between. Here you can see very nicely that the paste makes different patterns, which gives it an individual character. Next I do it at the back of the tank. It takes a lot of patience and skill to apply the Zimmerit pattern along the lids. I use a small scraper for narrow areas. Almost there, just the underside. I use the backside of my scalpel to scratch small and large areas of damage into the Zimmerit. The damage could be reproduced very realistic. To achieve more variety, I damage the sides to varying degrees. The masking tape can now be removed to view the result. I masked this to protect areas that would not be covered with Zimmerit. Small scratches can now be reworked. Now I do the same work as before on the Tiger's Tower. To have more sensitivity, I use the spatula without a handle. I scrape round parts in a star shape with a small scraper. Uneven tearing of the paste gives the Zimmerit even more character. That is, of course, a matter of taste. Covering the mantle with Zimmerit is a very time-consuming process, but produces a great individual result. After the paste has dried slightly, damage is also applied here again. I am positively surprised. The Zimmerit paste from Ammo by MiG is very easy to work with. With a little practice, it should be possible to apply Zimmerit realistic at the German tanks. I practiced on different parts before I went on the Tiger to get some practice and to get the right technique. So far I have used Zimmerit from resin because I was afraid of the effort involved in filling. But the paste is very cheap and you can remove it again in an emergency if you're not happy with the result. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe so that the channel can grow and you can see more comparisons and test of new materials. See you soon. Greetings, Steve.